Hello, friends. Growing older is a beautiful gift, it is a blessing, but many times we do not even realize it and we develop certain kinds of habits that can push people away from us or create a sense of awkwardness for them. Today, we are going to talk about 12 habits that are often seen after getting older, but very few people actually talk about them. If you can identify these habits, you will be able to make your relationships much stronger and happier. The first habit is always complaining about things. Difficulties come into every single person's life, but if you constantly talk only about the bad things, it drains the energy of the people around you. Slowly and gradually, people start spending less time with you. That is because they do not want to feel that constant negativity all the time. The second habit is only discussing your own pain and health in every single conversation. It is perfectly fine to talk about your health with those who are close to you. But remember that your life is not just limited to these illnesses alone. People want to connect with you as a person, not just to hear about your medical problems all day long. So, talk about other topics too. The third habit is being very rigid in your own thoughts. Experience is invaluable, but if you are not ready to listen to new things, then it becomes very difficult for people to have a conversation with you. Accepting different ideas makes the conversation much more interesting. The fourth habit is a bit sensitive, but it is actually very important. Neglecting your own appearance and your personal hygiene. Staying clean and organized is a symbol of respect towards yourself. When you present yourself well and have a sense of well being, it has the natural effect of making the people around you feel significantly more at ease and comfortable in your presence. The fifth habit is just living only in the past. Sharing old memories and experiences is a beautiful thing, but staying connected with today's times is just as necessary. Take an interest in what is happening in your family's life and what is changing in the world too. Give space to today's life along with old memories. The sixth habit is constantly speaking negatively about the younger generation. Every generation is different and that is natural. Instead of finding their flaws, appreciate their good points. And you should also try to learn something from them because doing this makes your relationships much stronger. The seventh habit is gossiping or taking way too much interest in the personal lives of other people. Respecting the privacy of others is what increases the trust within your relationships. Always try to talk about positive and good topics with everyone. The eighth habit is refusing to accept or learn new things in your life. The world is constantly changing, so learning new technology, adopting a new hobby, or accepting a new way of thinking keeps your mind active and young. And it shows that your curiosity is still very much alive. The ninth habit is blaming others for your own loneliness or always considering yourself to be a victim. Instead of waiting for others, you should take the initiative yourself. Call a friend, join a club, or start a new activity. Always take the first step yourself. And the 10th habit is trying to control your family members by using money. Helping your family is a very good thing to do, but it should always come from love, not with any conditions. True help never expects to have control in return. The 11th habit is to refuse help when someone offers to help you. Accepting help is not a sign of weakness, it is a beautiful way to stay connected with people. Let other people take care of you. It will make your relationships much stronger. And the final habit is losing your sense of humor. Life becomes much easier and more joyful with laughter. A happy heart and a sweet smile attract more people to you than any young face ever could. Find joy in the small little things and share your smile with the whole world. Growing old is truly a blessing, but growing old with kindness, humility, and a curiosity to learn new things will earn you both the love and respect of the people around you. If you change even just one of these habits, it can bring a big positive change to your relationships and your life in old age can become much more peaceful and happy. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel and make sure to share it with all of your loved ones. Always be kind, stay humble and live your life with happiness.